Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make a player movement in Unity with C#. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first we need to add a platform and a player. For that you do right mouse click and then 2D object, then square. You need two of them. After that you need to configure the platform. You can do that like you want or like me. Then you need to add a box collider 2D to the platform. And for the player, you need a rigid body 2D and a box collider 2D. After that, you create a new script and name it Player Movement. We will open the script when it's ready. Okay, let's start coding. Okay, then you need to write if input.getKey, keycode.writeArrow. The if is for what happens if you click something. Then the input. The input is for checking if the button was clicked. Okay, next step is this one. I will tell more about that soon. rb.velocity equals new vector 2, speed rb.velocity.y. Okay, rb velocity. rb is rigid body. Important is that there is standing ay in the end. That will be the position where we going to move. Okay, let's test the script. You see it doesn't work. I know why. Okay, over public start you will do. Public float speed equals 3f, and we will need two more things. Then we need private rigid body, 2DRB. That's it, we have access to our rigid body, but only for this object. We need one more thing for now that's RB equals get component, rigid body 2D. Okay, let's test the script again and take a look if it works. Okay, seems like it works. If you want more Unity tutorials, let me know it in the comments or just like this video. If you want to see more tutorials, you can subscribe. Have a great day.